Hello everyone, this is Dr. Kilgore from Dr. Kilgore's World with a flipped video all about multiplying fractions using models. So our learning goal is I can create models to multiply fractions. For this video, we're going to start with this example of 3/4 multiplied by 2/3. Now, the important thing to remember is that both of these are fractions. That means they are part of one whole, which means our answer will be part of one whole. So let's go ahead and pull up the whiteboard. And I'm just going to rewrite our problem up here. We have 3/4 multiplied by 2/3. Okay, so when we do this problem using models, the important thing to see is that our fractions are in fourths and thirds. So when we create a model, we want to go ahead and draw a box. And then we're going to take our fourths and take one section and make it into fourths. So 1, 2, 3, 4 sections going down. And going across, we want to make it into thirds. Notice by my model, this does not at all have to be perfect. This is just a strategy to help us solve the problem. So we have fourths going down, we have thirds going across. So I'm going to get a little tool. I'm going to shade my fourths in green, and I want to shade 3/4. So there's 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. I'm going to change to blue, and I'll shade my thirds in blue. 1/3, 2/3. Now, this helps me see this part up here is 2/3 of my one whole. The green part down here is 3/4 of that one whole. When we multiply them, we are talking about this area right here where our two colors overlap. That's going to be our answer. So 1, 2, 3, 4 across by 1, 2, 3 down. So 4 across, 3 down. That means we have 12 little boxes in our one whole. And we are talking about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those 12. So that is our area model. Of course, as always in fractions, we are going to simplify. 6 will go into 12, so we're going to divide by 6/6. And 12 divided by 6 is 2. 6 divided by 6 is 1. So that means 1/2 is our answer. So we're going to go ahead and check this using the standard algorithm. So that means we're going to write 3/4 multiplied by 2/3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 4 times 3 equals 12. We get 6/12. We've simplified it over here, so I'm going to use the cake strategy on this side. Just double checking. I know 2 will go into each. So 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. I know 3 will go into 6, so I'm going to put a 3 here. And I get 1, 2 times 3 is 6. So I get 1/2 again. So let's go ahead and clear the board here and we will try another example. Let's go 4/5 multiplied by 1/3. So again, I'm going to start and draw my box. I'm going to look at my denominators, which are 5 and 3. So I'm going to go thirds across. It really does not matter which way you choose to do the spots. 1 section, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Let's get some color here. I'm going to put my fifths in yellow, and that is 4/5. Fifths are going across this way. 1, 2, 3, 4/5 are colored yellow. I want 1/3, colored this pink color. And then let's go ahead and look at the area that we're talking about. Our overlap is up here. We're talking about 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. And we've got to figure out how many total sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. We can figure it out. We could count each box, which would work. We could also take 5 and multiply it by 3 to find the area. No matter which one we do, we would get 15 being the total number of boxes in our one hole. 4/15 is simplifying. So let's put our 4/5 times 1/3 over here. 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 times 3 equals, oops, did you notice my math error? I just caught my math error because my problems weren't matching up. That is one way that we can catch math errors. So 4/5, that looks better. 5 times 3 is 15. 4/15 and 4/15. The area model is nice because it helps us have a visual of what this problem really looks like and the area that we're talking about. So let's go ahead and clear our board and do another one together. Let's go 6/8 times 1/2. Okay, 1/2 is easy. We've got 2 sections. This side I have to make an 1/8. So I'm going to start by doing a line in the middle, and I need 4 sections above the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 sections below the line. There we go. It's not pretty, but it'll work. Let me get some color here. 6/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6/8. And let's go some blue for this 1/2. So let's look at our overlap here. We're talking about these 6, where we have both the blue and the pinkish red in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have 8 down, 2 across. That would be 16. And I know both of these are even, but 6 will not go into 16, so I'm going to try 2. So that would be 3/8. Let's try our algorithm and see. 6 times 1 equals 6. 8 times 2 equals 16. Do some cake over here. So 6/16. 3 times 2 is 6. 8 times 2 is 16. We still get 3/8. So this has been a very quick video teaching you how to draw these area models. Make sure that your notes are complete with my examples. You're now going to do a few practice problems with the teacher, then some with a partner, and then some on your own. So I hope this has helped you to understand how to draw these models to show multiplication of fractions.